Hi, yeah, you need to take a look at the widget demo, and this should be pretty straightforward. So go ahead and start the Corona simulator. I don't know if you're using a Mac or Windows. I'm on Windows. Mine probably looks different from yours if you're on a Mac. Click on Samples, scroll down. It may look different on Mac, but whatever. Anyways, find the interface section, double click the widget demo. Just go ahead and click anything. Go to your file menu. Let's see, show project files. All right, let's get that out of the way. Then what you want to do is go ahead and go to the folder above where you were just at and grab the entire folder. And the reason I'm having you do this is you can't edit the widget code in the folder where it's positioned. At least you can't on Windows. It's protected. So you got to put it somewhere else. So I'm putting it in the Ask Ed repository. Actually, you're probably going to download it from here. But anyways, these would be the steps if I hadn't already done it for you. So locate the code, put it somewhere else, which I've already done. So I pasted it over to another folder. And let's go ahead and close this. Let's get this out of the way. The one that you care about is tab 1 in the example. That's the first one that is shown. It's the table view. So I've got that open, and it's really quite easy. So what I'm going to do here is, let me run it for you first. So let's just reload. Select iOS 7. It's going to come up with a white background. This is what you're seeing now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the default background color of all pages to pink so that I can see that these are transparent. I'm only doing this so that when I set these rows to transparent, you'll be able to see that they are in fact transparent. And then I just scrolled a few lines down, and it was pretty clear row color. So that was what I was looking for. So I commented that out. I made a copy of it. You can find this code. I'm going to leave it running in the transparent mode, so it'll be completely working the way you wanted it. And you can use this example to modify your own code. But anyways, look for the initials RG. So I duplicated the line, row color. It was 1, which was, that defaults to 1, 1, 1. In other words, white. So I just made mine, you can make it whatever you want. 1, 1, 1, but then 0 for the alpha. And then let's go ahead and run the one that I just modified. Now, it's important, don't click Android or Android Hollow Dark unless you modify these two sections here. The section that I modified is the default section, which is then overwritten in the code below for the widget theme Android Dark or Light. So if I select iOS 7, I'm going to get the ones that I changed. And let's go ahead and do that. Bada bing, bada boom. Done. Backgrounds are transparent. So as I said in my post originally, I figured you could do this through the API, and you can. It's not an API call so much as is you modify the settings, the specification for the table view, and then wherever you use this below. I'm not going to look it up. You can find it somewhere below. It's used to set the fill color. There you go. Done. So I think that's it. All right. Thanks a lot.